Rob Pearson from Vortex Group. Today I'm here with Vern from Queensland Welding Supplies talking about the Taylor Drawn Arc welding system. How are you today, Vern?
Yeah, well, thanks, Rob.
That's all good. So look, for those people who don't know, could you run us through quickly what is stud welding is what we're doing here today. So just give us, I guess, sort of a brief rundown or synopsis on what stud welding is and where the Taylor system actually fits into that equation.
Yeah, certainly. So stud welding is typically used for applications where you want to fix or weld a pin or stud on from a single side. You haven't got, there's no need for threading or manually welding it with other welding processes.
This bad boy.
It's a very fast process. All happens in about, for the 16mm studs that I've got here today, that all happens in about 1500 milliseconds. So it's all
1500 milliseconds.
It's all over and done with very
Just
quickly.
quicker than me.
Yep. So that allows you to obviously put a lot of studs on. In the case of these shear connectors, they put them on a construction site. They might have thousands to put on. So the faster they can get them on, the better.
Yeah, so I have learned a bit today. So obviously you've got a beam here, you attach the stud, and then from there you actually put the meshing on and the concrete gets poured on top of that. Is that correct?
That's correct, yes.
Okay, gotcha. So, and are they different size studs for different applications in terms of, is it always the one standard size or?
Yeah, so with the shear connectors, they vary in diameter and in length, depending on the engineer's specifications. Mm-hmm. The thicker the concrete, typically the longer the stud.
Yep.
And then they go up to about 22 millimetres is about the biggest they go in the shear connectors.
Okay. And can you tell us a bit about the Taylor system that we've got here today?
Yeah, certainly. So with the Taylor system, you've got, it's made in the UK, very reliable product we've done for many years. The main settings you've got on this is amps and time, and that gives you the ability to control the arc characteristics and the finished weld result. So yeah, so Taylor machine is made in Taylor stud welders are made in the UK. They have made these stud welders for many years, and this is a 2000 amp machine. It'll do up to a 20mm base stud or a 22mm reduced base.
Well, thanks for that rundown, mate. Well, I think that's enough talk for now. Why don't we jump into the action and do a bit of welding?